go camping this weekend. In fact, I'm thinking about changing our entire YouTube channel into RV repair. Because now we have to fix the screen that I never fixed when I fixed the window. I think we can just leave the door without a screen.
No.
She says no. And I do too. So there. Now we decided it's going to be a lot easier to put the screen on if we take the door off, because we'll be able to lay it down, push the little rubber thing in and trim around it much more easily than if it were up here. So we need to take these screws off. As a lot of you may know, these have special heads that require a special tool, which we have. Unfortunately, somebody here decided to keep it in our cupboard that is currently blocked
By the slide out. I can't open it. I could get my little fingers in there, but I can't find the thing.
So another lesson that you guys can learn from us is if there's a thing that you think you might need at some point, don't put it in a place that you can't get to at every occasion. Does that make sense? In other words, don't keep crap you need in cabinets that you can't open. She's trying. This ain't gonna happen. We're gonna have to plug it into the truck. Getting the slide going out, hoping we don't hit the thing parked next to us. Open that cabinet a little more, getting our arm in there. You get it, you get it!
Got it!
All right. All right, now take the door off. I'll be in the truck. It's always an adventure with us. Yeah, what are you gonna do? Done yet?
Got two.
Gesundheit. Now we gotta go put a thing in it, so I can't do this. Okay, we got the tools. We got some scissors, we got some screen, and we got our little pushing rolly thing. I don't even know what it's called, but we've got it, and that's what matters. Apparently we still have glass caught in the track. She's trying to knock it out. There we go. All right.
Now it's moving.
Bye-bye. This is a lot of screen. I think it's probably more than what we're going to need. All right. I'm guessing that this is kind of what we do.
Yeah.
So what I'm guessing is we cut it off, just kind of trim it down a little bit so we can function, and then push the little rubber seal in, and then trim it a little bit more to clean it up.
Your guess is as good as mine, buddy. Cutting the screen is a lot better than when you cut the cheese.
Almost as satisfying. That good?
Sure.
Never done screen before. We're making some headway here, but then realized we had to take off this little stopper. And so screwdriver lady has to unscrew it.
Screwdriver lady.
Yeah. I'm not sure how this happened, but we have extra rubber. Oh, what do you think?
I think we did a good job. What do you think?
I think for our first time doing a screen, I think we did very good.
What say you? Now what?
Snippy, snippy.
Don't get snippy with me.
I'm getting snippy. I'm getting snippy with this.
It's all good.
The corners were the hardest part, in case you guys are wondering.
Yeah, the curvy parts.
That's why we didn't record much of that, because it took both of us.
Yeah, was that? You trying to blow?
What?
Yep.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Mm-hmm.
Exactly what I
You
was
know
trying to do.
exactly what I was saying. Because you were doing it.
Sounds like me. Time for the fine tuning.
Alright.
Looks pretty good. One little nubby part here, but
Who's
everything
gonna
else,
notice that?
everybody, now that I pointed it out,
Well, crap. Why'd you have to say something?
but it looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Aside from that, it's not wibbly wobbly. Aside from that,
Stop saying it.
oh, sorry. It's perfect. It's the best screen ever. She's screwing it in, and I'm holding it up. Awesome. Awesome.
Let's put one of these in to make sure that it's...
Yeah, you're probably going to need to get that screw head out of the thing first. Might come in handy.
That was funny. Okay, next.
You did it again.
Get stuck.
Look, we made a screen. We've never done that before.
Yay!
You know, I'm willing to bet that by the time we're done with this RV, we will have taken apart at least 60% of it at some point. All on our own. But we're learning. We're learning new stuff all the time, right?
Yay!
That's exciting. It's great not paying someone else to do something that you can actually do yourself.
Yes.
It's a feeling
very
of
much.
accomplishment.
Yes, and it feels good in the pocketbook too.
Darn Skippy. All right, well, do we need anything else? Are we all good?
I think we're good.
We did everything that we needed to do while we're here today?
Yeah.
Cool. We'll be going camping again soon. So don't worry. It's going to happen. We promise. But until then, be good.
I threw the thing. It's down there.
Can't trust her with the thing.
The thing. It's down there.
Be good. Just be good.